In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Cron Job setting. You need to log in your admin panel, then you can see this pop up again and again. Copy the URL and go to your hosting cPanel, go to dashboard, then here you can find Cron Job settings. So go to advanced, see here Cron Jobs. So click here, then go to custom, then you need to copy this URL, then you can paste it here. Then you can set your timing. This should be like that. Usually everyone using like that every 5 minutes, every hour, every day, every month, every year, like that. Actually it will be like that. So you can set up, then you can click save. It will be saved. After you can go your admin panel dashboard, then you can see here this by default is running. You can run also manually from here. Run now. That's it. Your cron job setup is done. I'll show you now. I'll reload again. See, this pop-up is not showing anymore. So I'll log out and I'll log in again. Then you can see this cron job setup pop-up will not show anymore. Thank you guys. This is the setup information.